himself with wealth that he had left. So basically, in a way, like a sunken, forgotten city of the End Realm.
That was a close one.
Fuck.
Think with a 50 dollar. Jesus Christ. Thank you, man. Thank you. Fucking heart attack city, man. This fucking alert. Swear to God. Jesus. Thank you for the 50 fucking
Yeah,
pound
I got my
donation,
gilly.
my dude. Thank you so much.